Closing skill gaps, improving time to productivity. That mission started for me when I was 19, writing code for a safety pin factory. My name is Anita Selwyn, and I'm the founder and CEO of Edrevel AI, the outcome driven platform for workforce readiness and compliance with 80 plus clients across 6 countries. We started with the hardest to reach population. At Bosch, over 17,000 youth became job ready in the trades. At Britannia, we cut assessment from 10 weeks to 20 days. Our team brings about 30 plus years of building software for regulated industry like FEMA, Columbia University, and World Bank, and also AI experience from Amazon and NASA. So what's different? We turn your procedures into training materials in minutes. Workers prove skills on video or assessments against a rubric that is created by your supervisor. And our skills engine answers the administrators the questions in plain language. Manufacturing deserves not just the trained but verifiable job ready workforce. We'd be honored to build it with Caterpillar. Thank you.